Hi boys and girls, today we're going to word build with sequence J1 and you need your letters A, C, F, I, L, O, P, P, S. We're going to get started. So I'm going to bring down my P, bring down my L, bring down my O, and bring down my P. When you read the word, you should read it like this. P, O, put those together. Pull, ah, plop. What's the word? Plop. Okay, bring up your P. Bring down an F in its place. What's the word? Go ahead and read it. Bring up your O. Bring down an A in its place. What's the word? Bring up your F. Bring down an S in its place. What's the word? If I'm going too fast, this is a video. You can pause it if you need to. Bring up your S. Now go ahead and read the word. What's the word? Bring up your A. Bring down your other vowel, your I, in its place. Go ahead and read the word. Bring down your F. What's the word, friends? Bring up your F. Bring down your S. Go ahead and try to read the word for me. Bring up your S. Bring down a C in its place. What's the word? Bring up your I, your vowel, and bring down your A in its place. What's the word? All right, don't get tricked. Bring up your L. Move your C over where the L used to be. What's the word? Bring up your C. Bring down an S in its place. Now go ahead and read the word, boys and girls. Okay, don't get tricked. Slide your S over and put your L where your S used to be and try to read that new word. Bring up your A, bring down your O in its place. Whoops. Go ahead and try to read the word. And last one, bring up your O, bring down your I in its place. Woo! We finished the first round of word building. So bring your letters back up. So reset your letters all back up at the top. Now, what you're going to do is Mrs. Whirling is going to say a word, and you're going to make all of those sounds when you bring down the letter. So I'm going to say the word flop. O, ah, p. Flop. I'm going to say reset your letters. So everybody reset your letters back to a line. And I'm going to say the rest of the words while you build them, my little speed racers. Okay, next word. Build the word sap. Now, this is a recording and a video, so you can pause it. I'm going to go fast. Build the word flip. Build the word cap, like a cap on your head, cap. Build the word flop, flop. I did a belly flop in the pool. Build the word clap, clap. Build the word slop, slop. Build the word sip, like you sip your water, sip. Build the word plop, plop. Build the word plop. All right, last one. Build the word slap, slap. All right, we are done with that portion for today. You did a fantastic job. Keep working hard.